You've not been talking to me for some days now. What have I done?
This is so painful, heartbroken. After all this,
Whatever the spirit of your daughter wants, give it to her. I'll not repeat myself.
So this is what all this is about? How is it my fault? As a matter of fact, you are guilty. If you had allowed me bringing my daughter to live with me, I don't think she would have died. Listen, you see this cross? We will both carry it.
If I ever hear that voice again, whether I'm asleep or awake, you get out of this house in a minute.
this is so painful, heartbroken. After all this suffering, that's why. After all this her suffering, you cause her death. She's no more to enjoy her labor.
I have every reason to believe that you provoked that girl's spirit. Yes, you did. But you are here pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Provoke which girl's spirit? What girl? Who is provoking who? You're the only one that comes here and shout about ghosts everywhere. That you're seeing ghosts.
But Mama, I've been complaining about this same thing. I hope what DK is saying is not true.
What's wrong with you? I know that you and your husband can cook up anything. That girl you people killed was my only companion, my only friend. She was my all and all. But you know, leave me alone.
Mama, you need to tell us what you know about this. Because we keep hearing her voice. That girl has refused my husband and I to sleep at night. My husband is threatening to send me out of the marriage.
If he sends you out of your marriage, you go. I don't care. I don't care at all. You go up and walk.
I understand we didn't end things in good terms. But at this point, I think we have to lay aside the pains of yesterday. And phantom away, put together measures to confront this problem that is facing us.
I think so too.
Thank you very much. You see, our daughter's spirit, Osinachi, has made life miserable and unbearable for me for months now. And I am confused. I'm bothered. I don't know what to do. I don't even know. It's really disturbing me. I have a strong belief that there is something she wants us to do.
A strong belief, and what could that be?
Honestly, I wish I knew. I wish I knew what she wants us to do. But nevertheless, I think I have an idea.
You have an idea? Can you share?
Look, I think I have an idea of something we must do. I mean, something we should do, because I believe there is something she's trying to tell us, and we have to find a way to listen to her and know exactly what's going on, because this whole thing happening right now, there has to be a way out of it. There has to be an answer to it.
So think and let's know what it is. How did you locate this kind of place?
Well, I consult him on tough and special situations, just like this.
What do you mean, tough and special situations?
You know, just like the other time I wanted you to run mad for leaving me for another man. Yes, but the seer is a good man. He was the one who stopped me. Yes, he advised me to let it go. Nchikelemo, the great seer, my daughter...
The spirit of your dead daughter is restless. And as long as she's restless, the four of you will know no peace or rest.
Four of us?
Yes, of course now.
Who's the fourth person?
You, I, your husband. Wait. I knew it. Yes, I knew that Mama has a hand in this thing. I knew it. That's the reason why she has refused to do something about this situation. I knew it. Mama is the fourth person.
Please, take my mother out of this. My mother is innocent.
What do you mean your mother is innocent?
I suspect Udoka. He has used my daughter for rituals because I heard he's been spending money all over the place.
No, yeah, it is your mother.
It's Udoka.
No, it cannot be Udoka.
It's Udoka.
In due time, you will know.
Sir,
Come in, Chikelemo.
Ichekelemo, what do we do?
Your daughter is here. She will tell you what to do. Don't run! Stay and hear what she has to say.
I'll make sure you pay for what you did. My spirit is restless. And I can't rest in peace until you do what is demanded of you. You cut my dream short even before it started. Now this is what you must do. You must raise the sum of 300 million naira. You, my mom, and her husband will raise the sum of 150 million naira. You, my dad, will raise the sum of 50 million naira. Uncle Doka will raise the rest. You have till month end to raise the money. Else, you or die.
My job is done here. Do as she has instructed.
We must do.
Stop using the word us. She said you and not me. She wants your daughter and not mine.
Why are you unnecessarily dramatic?
Well, anyway, first thing first, you know I can't even provide that money because we hardly eat in this house these days.
Then we have to sell our property. Because if we don't raise this money, Osinachi will kill us all.
What have I gotten myself into?
Look, we ignored her when she was alive. We were not there for her. Now it's time to pay for ignoring her.
Why me?
Who should it be, me?
I didn't sign up for this.
Listen, Osinachi mandated the family to raise 300 million naira.
What?
Both of us, we had to raise 150 million naira.
Where are we supposed to get the money from? Your mother, what about your mother?
I don't know. Stop asking me dumb questions.
What's he saying about all this now?
This is the solution you asked me to seek and I have done it. But we have to raise this money. I don't care you're going to do it. I don't care how you look for this money, but we have to get it if we must stay alive.
I can't get myself to believe this is true. I mean, what is all this now? I just can't place it. I can't believe this is actually happening.
Dike, if only you had listened to me. If only you had listened to me, this wouldn't have escalated. I am sure it wouldn't have escalated.
Obina, you don't understand. Obina, you don't understand. Now, let me ask you. Look at me. Inside and outside. Where do you think I will get that money from?
Eh?
How can I raise that kind of money?
Do you want to hear the truth? Do you want to hear the truth from me? Do you want to hear the truth? The truth is that if you don't raise that money, you may die.
Yummy. I mean, yeah. Just run out. Ah!
You know you're talking.
Sam, yo.
You know, poor people. Since I make money, you see how I talk. I don't talk too much. Oh well, this language you are speaking, you'll be very useful to me when I go for crusade in Akwa Ibom. Say it's Akwa Ibom.
Yes.
You'll be my interpreter. You'll be useful to me. You see this car? It's a small car. How much did I even buy it? Around 7 point something million or 8 million. Can't even remember. You know, when you have money, you won't even remember how you spend money. And this small motorcycle, I just bought it because of kidnappers. You know, kidnappers are men in the village. So you buy small car. Have you ever heard of Pleasanta 250 Penticonti? It's a new car, is what I want to buy. I think it's sold at 78 million naira. That's what I wanted to buy. But it's when I get to the city that I'll buy it. And I didn't tell you, they've already gotten a house I'll buy in the city. And the land I'll build my massive church.
You're calling this car a small car?
A small car now.
You're calling this car a small car?
When you are poor, something that is very small will be so big to you. It's not your fault. Can you drive?
Yes, of course.
You'll be my driver. Take.
I'll be your driver.
Yes, anywhere I'm going.
What did you call the other car again? What did you call it?
There's under 250 Penticonti.
Whatever you call it. When you buy that one, I am taking this one away from you.
I'll dash you this one.
You give me this one?
I'll dash you now to help you and to help your minister and to project you. So based on the espionage, what you do is very simple. It requires intelligence. You can just go, you know, get some of the people in the street, pay them. They will come, some will be acting as imbecile. Some will be acting as cripple. Some will be blind. You come, you touch them, you speak in tongues. Even if you don't want to speak, speak China. So I can teach you how to speak in tongues in China. Okay. Once you talk, and the person will see. So I'll teach you how to speak in tongues in China. It's a speak, I learned it. Once you do you speak, the person will start seeing. And these people will be seeing you as a real man of God. They will be donating money in your church. And you'll be like, don't you want to be like me?
Okay, let me ask you. What if I go into the village and pay some people to come and act as if they are blind, as if they are crippled, and then I come and expose me?
You're not intelligent. You're not intelligent. And it's affecting you. That's why you are poor. You're not intelligent. I don't like you. You're not intelligent. I don't like people that are not. You're not intelligent. You're not intelligent. I'm trying to bring you up. You are bringing yourself down. Why are you asking me stupid questions? You are dealing with somebody that has positive vibe, that has positive energy. I should be influencing you. What is wrong with you? Are you sure you want to be my driver?
Yes. I'll be your driver.
Then behave yourself. Behave. Behave. Huh? Behave. Good. Chop kanda.
You said you were going to buy phone, new phone.
Mama, please. You have to help us. We don't have that kind of money. You're our only hope. The 1 month she gave us is slowly slipping away.
How can I be your only hope? Why are you people harassing me? When you went to see the seer, did you tell me? Did you people tell me? You went to see your seer. You called me all sorts of names. You called me a witch or wizard, I don't know. Eh? What is wrong with you? Stop harassing me now. Why are you people disturbing me? You even accused me of evoking the spirit of my late grandchild. How? How could I have?
Mama, if nothing is done, soonest we're all going to die.
Then you die now. You didn't have value for my granddaughter's life. How can you have value for your own? If you have to die, die. Do you hear me? But let me warn you. If I were you, two of you, I will do everything possible to raise that money. Down now. Of what use are you to me?
Udoka, all we are saying is we need to raise this money. If not, something...
Nothing will happen. I've told you, Nonya. Nothing will happen. Stop disturbing me. Why would you go and see a prophet? Apart from the fact that I don't have the money you are requesting, why would you in the first place, why would you go and see a seer? Why would you do that? When you have an anointed prophet like me? Why? I represent my Father in heaven. Here. There is no board here. Just stop saying board. You would have gone to see a seer in the first place. Let me tell you, there is no prophet or seer around this hemisphere that sees God the way I see him. I communicate with God one-on-one. Why would you condescend so low to go and see a seer? You went even and see, you went and saw a minor prophet when you have a major prophet of God in me. I am so disappointed. I am so disappointed, Nonya.
Udoka, please, don't be angry. Eh? At least you lend us the money.
I don't have, oh. Dike, I don't have. Why did you ask the seer to give you money? Why are you disturbing me? You went and saw a seer. Why did you ask him to give you the money? You see, you are not talking.
Look, Udoka, we are aware, we have heard it, that you now have lots of money. As a matter of fact, you are painting the city red. You even have a brand new car. So it shouldn't be hard for you to...
Listen. You know, listen. First of all, respect yourself, this man. Don't call me Udoka without putting evangelist. I always tell you that. If you want to address me, call me Evangelist Udoka. That is one. Two, whatever you've heard about me is true. It is true. I am blessed. You know now. You know when we were growing up. You know. I've always been talented. I am blessed. All these things you hear, they are just the assemblage of the blessings of God. I am blessed. God has blessed me. I am a prophet in character and in substance.
Evangelist Udoka, please don't be offended. You see, this is why we have come to see you. Now that you are blessed, so you can also help us. We need this money to solve this problem now.
Are you deaf? Are you sure you are normal? Wait, Nonya, what did you see in this man in the first place? You allowed this man to get you pregnant. This one that is doing like Oki in Ejinan village. What is wrong? I said I don't have money and you people are disturbing me.
So what is the solution?
Just because you are involved and because Mama is involved with every other person. I think I know what to do. I said, why are you looking at me like a moron? I said, I know what to do.
Out of selfishness, self-centeredness, you got to let her enjoy her life. Now you have cut her life short. Now you have cut her life short. You can eat her cups.
Baby, don't forget what I told you, okay? No matter what it takes, we'll raise the money.
But do you really have to go? I need you to stay here with me.
Honey, if I don't go out there to hustle, how do I raise the money? Don't worry, I'll be back soon, okay? Come in.
Okay,
You still there? I don't even know how I got myself into this mess in the first place. Thank God I've finally taken you back to where you belong. You will never see my face again.
go back to that house and take your wife now. If you ever try this rubbish again, I will kill you.
Truth is that, and it is very unfortunate, you people are neglecting me. You don't understand the type of anointing that is on this head. How can you allow little child, look at little Osinachi, now be tossing you people up and down? You have been seeing her, why haven't I seen her? That is because of the type of anointing on my head. She cannot try to come and appear to me, to appear to me. Appear to me for what now? Why is he appearing to me? There is no, if you are there, you are there. There is no power in there. We have stamina in Christ. Osinachi is there. She has no power. She has no power. You people, what you are having is hallucination. Hallucination. She cannot appear to me. She has no power. She has no power. Mama, you are tiny thing. There's no poor when you have somebody like me.
Who? She was chasing me.
Who was chasing you?
Who was chasing you?
Come now.
No, I need to
You are a pastor now, pray.
So that is why I'm here. To cool down. That is why I'm here. She was chasing you. Why would she be chasing you?
I was in my car. And the next thing she appeared. Yes. Yes. I was so terrified. And then she started chasing me. She was running after me.
She appeared in your car. Inside your car.
Are you dumb? I said she appeared and she was chasing me.
Inside
Stop asking to be question. To pray now. Pray. Are you not a pastor?
And that is why I'm here now.
Then start praying.
He said you appeared. Okay, why didn't she chase you to this house? Because she knew I was in this house. If actually she appeared.
Mama, where are you going to?
If actually she appeared. By the time she gets to that gate, she just run away. Why are you people scared?
Doka, do something now.
Calm down now. Calm down. Did I say I will not do anything?
Then start praying.
Pray now. Calm down. I don't like you people rushing me. Stop rushing me. I'm here. That is why I'm here. You people think I'm scared. Do I look like I'm scared? That's the reason I'm here. The enemy you see today, you will see no more. Aye! What type of slap is this? I cannot be slapped. Jesus has slapped all the powers of the spirit. I am nobody's permitted to slap. Aye! Who is slapping me like this? Who is slapping me like this? Did I say there is no power in them? Why are you doing this to me? My eyes. Aye. Who is slapping me like this? It's not fair now. What type of slap? My face is boiling. What did I do to you? What type of slap is this? Jesus!
Open your mouth and tell them what happened. Confess! I said confess!
Confess. Don't slap me like that again. See here.
Come. Sit down. Wait. Osinachi.
You'll be going to America. Hey! You must stop shouting though. Doing babies are everywhere. Before they will hear my voice and do something. You'll be going to America. America. This is good news.
Bonko.
Huh?
There's one problem.
Problem what? Which problem? Tell me the problem. What out to the problem? Do you know who I am? An evangelist. Have been ordained to solve every problem in this earth. Tell me the problem. Let me solve it now.
You know that Nene doesn't have an account. Neither do I. And God forbid would I ever put my money in that wicked woman that could accept my mother.
You will not put, oh. She's a wicked woman. Say your mother. No, yes. You will not put. God forbid, though. I forbid it too. Why will you put money in her account? That irresponsible Nonye that abandoned here. Now you want to go. Don't do that rubbish. I will be so angry with you. When you have an irresponsible uncle in me.
That is why I want to put the money in your account.
Good.
So you send me your account details and your what they call passport.
1024.
Okay, it's not now.
Okay, you don't want me to send it now. Okay, later I'll write it and give it to you so that you don't. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that.
Bonko, the first money you give me so that I'll buy for Nene something.
Okay, when they send it.
Yes.
No, once I receive the alert, I will not even look at it. I'll just call you on phone and tell you they've sent the money so that you use it judiciously. I don't like waste. I don't like waste in my life. You know now, I don't like waste.
Uncle, they'll call you on video call for an interview.
It's a small thing now. When? Which day?
I don't know, but
and you'll be here. Okay, I know why they want to call, to make sure the information is authentic.
Yes.
I'm an authentic. Go to this thing, Google my name. If they Google my name, Evangelist Udo could be. It's everywhere there. Everybody knows me now. You should be going to America. This is good. Wait, this is good news. You going to America?
Sorry, that is how I've been. That is how I got that money I've been spending. I'm doing big boy in the village. I'm sorry.
I knew it. I knew you were a fake pastor and a thief.
It's the handwork of devil.
Look,
Yes?
how often do you receive this?
The money. He used to send me $10,000 every weekend.
What?
That's what I used to see in my account every weekend.
Chimo.
$10,000. Wait. What do you mean by the used to?
He used to send condolence grants.
What do you mean condolence grant? Explain.
Speak
now.
Sorry, after her death. Sorry. I wrote to them that she was dead, so they sent me $100,000.
$100,000?
Jesus.
Did you hear him?
We were looking for money. You had $100,000. Ha! You are wicked. Udoka, you are heartless.
Okay, fine, good. They sent you $100,000, right? Where's the money?
That is the problem. This Satan, it will never be well with Satan. I don't know how Satan just managed to make the money lavished. Even for one night people, the people I send money to buy house for me in town, they duped me. The car I bought, they snatched it. All the money just vanished into the thin air just like that. I'm sorry, please. Sorry, calm down. I have malaria, typhoid fever. It's bad.
So you have been receiving this amount of money. And here we are looking for money to solve our problem. All the money that you have received is enough to solve this problem.
You all have only 3 weeks left. Only 3 weeks.
Did you hear that voice?
I heard that voice.
Now this house is haunted. I can't stay here. I can't remain here. I'm out. Follow me if you want to. Don't follow.
This is so painful, heartbroken. After all this suffering, that's why. After all this hard suffering, you cause her death. She's no more to enjoy her labor. Wow, go, Anasina Bembo. Oh, Anasina Bembo. Wow, go, Anasina Bembo. Oh, Anasina Bembo. Her spirit is restless. Anasina Bembo. Ready to fetch her death. Anasina Bembo. Her spirit is angry. Anasina Bembo. Ready to avenge. Anasina Bembo. Her spirit is restless. Anasina Bembo. Ready to avenge. Anasina Bembo. Anasina Bembo. Oh, Anasina Bembo. At let her enjoy her life. Now you have got.
See these jewelries I'm giving you for this amount. I'm not happy about it because I know how much my husband bought them. They're very expensive. Just that right now we need money. That's what I'm giving you for this amount. But you need to add some money to it because this amount you're pricing it is too poor. It's poor.
Madam, no. Na that amount I could pay. Na that amount I could pay. The money too much now, madam.
This money, I reduced the price for you. You're saying it's too much.
It's too much, madam. It's too much. I no go be buy am. I no get money. Na that amount I could pay.
Oh yeah, bring the money.
Okay, madam.
Dike, it is high time you went and bring your daughter home. Your daughter's grandmother, she has tried. She has done her best. Why did you go and bring your daughter to stay with you? Why? Mina, it's not as if I don't know what I am supposed to do. It's not as if I don't know my responsibility as a man. Mina, look at me. No, just look around now. Obina, how can I bring my daughter to come and live in this kind of environment? Obina, look at the poverty here. I cannot take care of her. I cannot take care of her. It is nothing. It is not as if I don't know. Dike, what are you saying? Why are you giving excuses for your own blood? What are you saying? Look at you. Okay. Look at this. Every day you consume at least 6 bottles of beer. Okay, today I'm seeing 1, 2, 3. This is 600 naira. So that is almost 2,000 naira. And I know you're going to bring more. And you're telling me that you cannot feed your own daughter when she's with you? No.
It's not like that. You don't understand. Listen, he that wears the shoes know where he fits. Obina, listen to me. Obina, listen to me. Let me tell you something. This drink you are seeing here, this is the only thing that sustains me, Obina. If not for this drink, maybe by now I perhaps would have been running mad on the street, or maybe I would have run into depression, Obina. You don't understand it, and how can I bring my daughter into the same situation? I cannot.
Dike,
I cannot.
I can't wrap my head around what to understand. That you're seated here, looking into my eyes and telling me to my face that you cannot take care of your own blood, your child, your daughter. What are you saying? What are you saying?
My friend,
have you forgotten your name? Dike. It is your daughter we're talking about here. Your blood. Your flesh and blood.
Mr. No.
Look at this stupid.
No.
Come on, sit down there.
No, now you people are disrespecting me. You people don't have respect for an evangelist. Evangelist, you don't, Kobe. Do you know the type of oil on this my head? You know people don't have respect. I represent my late father here, and I represent my father in heaven. And by the virtue of those privileges conferred on me, I command you to stand down. Stand down in Jesus' name, DK. Stand down.
Odoka, shut up your mouth.
You say?
I said, shut up your mouth. You represent God. Yet you allow your sister slip off my hand to be with this thing. This.
You see this nonsense you're spewing from your mouth is the reason I left you in the first place. Because you're a drunk, you're not focused. You don't think of anything positive. All you think of is the next available bottle that you will drink.
Exactly.
I have dreams and aspirations, and I will not let it die because I want to stick with you. Our worlds are apart. We are two parallel lines that can never meet. What is wrong with you? You are not fit to be with me. You don't deserve me. Nonsense.
You heard my wife. You heard her right? She is 100% correct. And if there's anyone who has come to this place to reap from where it didn't work also, it is you, a village drunk! Stop talking! Stop talking! Hey! I command you to stand down! Stand down! Stop it! Stand down in Jesus' name! I said stand down in Jesus' name! Stand down, oh! Stand down! Stand down! Stand down! I hate your voice! I hate your voice! Hey!
Don't run! Stay and hear what she has to say.
I will make sure you pay for what you did. My spirit is restless. And I can't rest in peace until you do what is demanded of you. You cut my dream short even before it started. Now this is what you must do. You must raise the sum of 300 million naira. You, my mom, and her husband will raise the sum of 150 million naira. You, my dad, will raise the sum of 50 million naira. Uncle Doka will raise the rest. You have till month end to raise the money. Else, you or die.
My job is done here. Do as she has it.
Get up and work for your part of the money. Huh? Remember, you have less than 3 weeks to get your part of the money. Else, you die. Go and hustle like your mate. Luke 12 verse 15. And he said to them, beware of covetousness, for one's life does not consist in things he possesses. I did not tell you to go into your house. I said go out there and hustle for the money like your mate.
You need to get some sleep.
Get some sleep. How am I supposed to do that? I have done everything I can and...
We have all done something. Why do you always make everything about you and make others feel as if they've not contributed anything?
Is that the point right now?
Does it really matter? Learn to appreciate the effort of others.
I don't waste my time on things that don't matter.
Really? So appreciating your wife and making her feel good is something that doesn't matter?
The only thing I'm thinking of right now is how to raise 150 million naira. How are we supposed to do that? Where am I supposed to get it from? Where do I go to?
Why are you saying we? You should say I...
You are so pathetic. Your useless, foolish, selfish elder brother had that amount of money and we didn't know? He lavished it. God punish him. That goes around with a Bible in his head and a suit that makes him look like someone that has hunchback. God punish all of you. God punish you, punish your brother, punish everybody that relates to you. I'm pissed. Pah!
DK, I thought you said Narujuku is coming.
Yes. Yes.
Because what I'm asking is that the Narujuku I know very well does not honor invitations, especially from the young men.
I know he will come. You see, Narujuku and my late father, your best friends. And he always listens to me whenever I call. Whenever I seek his presence, he always shows up. I know he will come.
You think so?
I know he will come.
It's alright.
I told you.
Narujuku, welcome, sir.
DK, how are you doing?
Very well.
You're fine.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Dan.
Yes.
The
youth leader.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Let me quickly go and get you.
Don't worry. Because this one that you said you wanted to see me urgently. I know it's serious. I hope nobody's running after your life.
No. Look, as a matter of fact, everyone and everything is after my life. Yes.
Is it that serious?
Very serious. As a matter of fact, it's more than serious. And that's the reason why I have invited you here. Now, the spirit of my late daughter, Osinachi, has been haunting me. Yes. I have a strong reason to believe that Akudo, Noyen's mother, has something to do with it.
Wait. DK. Wait, are you saying that she invoked the spirit of the dead to haunt you?
Man, that's exactly what I'm talking about. That is exactly what I am saying.
Because this thing you said now is very expensive to say. I know what I'm saying, though. You have to be very careful. Please.
I believe him.
Now you believe him?
Yes, I do. That woman is a very fetish woman. I know what she can do. I know it. But DK, you don't have to worry. I promised your father that I'm going to take care of you. I did that. As the elder of the elders, I will deal with her in her own coin. I will do that.
Thank you very much, Nai. Thank you.
In that case, I will do my findings. And if it comes out positive, I will deal with her myself before every other person.
Thank you, my brother. You see, out of frustration and fear of death, I had to go back to building site work, mason, and I have also been hustling, doing other maniac jobs just to be able to come up with something. Yes, and so far so good. At least I have been able to raise 50,000. But then again, I thought to myself, instead of contributing this money to buying what the spirit of the little girl is demanding, why don't I give this money to someone who can do more than I can do? Yes, I mean someone who sees farther than I can see. Eh? That is exactly why I have invited you.
That was the right way to think.
Thank you, Nai. This is 30,000 naira for you.
For what now?
No, this one is for you.
Hey, why don't you eat?
No, it's okay. No, please. You take that one. It's for you. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Yeah. You are the youth president.
Of course.
This one is for you.
For me?
Yes, please. You can have this one.
Thank you very much.
I think it's the right thing to do.
You have spoken to the right people.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And you also did the right thing.
It will end today. It will end today.
Youth leader.
Now, listen to me. You wait. I've come to warn you. And I'm giving you 3 days.
To do what?
Just 3 days. Listen to me. I'm still talking. I'm not done talking.
I'm hearing you. 3 days for what now?
I give you 3 days. And if in 3 days you do not tame that stupid ghost called your granddaughter, who you invoked to be terrorizing the whole village, I will make sure the youth of this village stone you to death. Yes.
How?
Yes. 3 days. You just 3 days.
And let me
see.
Look at my
daughter. 3 days. You will hear from me. Just 3 days. Guys, let's go. Leave this in. Let's go. 3 days.
I'm going to be witch. I can't see what look at them, see what they did to me. Osinachi! Osinachi, where are you? Osinachi, they said I killed you. They said I'm a witch. Osinachi. Mogi putakene. I want him saying he can rock one. I want to get inside, he can rock one. I want to go. Chukumuna yade so, kumuna yade se no kumu. Let's look at it. Osinachi. They said I'm a witch. How can I be a witch? Can I be my granddaughter? Can I she doesn't find anybody's trouble. She's angry. Masinachi is angry.
Who is there? Who is that? Who is there? Who is there now? Ah! Ah! What? Ah, Dan. What's the problem? Are you deaf and dumb? Come. Let's go. Come, you this diabolical witch, eh? See what you've done to this boy. Just because it's she. Eh? Just because this boy came to you to tell you to reverse whatsoever you did on your granddaughter's grave. Eh? You now struck him deaf and dumb. Eh? Your last straw. If you don't reverse what you did to this boy before tomorrow morning, eh? I will make sure that they banish you from this village. In that, do you hear me? Come. Come, let's go. Let's go.
Nigga, what is wrong? Lock that door. What is it? Listen, come here. Don't do that. You know how to wait now. Why will you run into the compound like that? I almost escaped. Edward now.
You know head. Dan the youth leader. Dan the youth leader is now deaf and dumb. What are you saying now? Eh?
What do you mean by that? Dan is now deaf and dumb? How? What happened?
I heard that Dan went to confront your mother-in-law in her house. And as I speak to you right now, Dan can no longer hear nor talk.
Hey! That woman! That woman! So it has gone beyond destroying her family. Now it has gone into killing everyone else in this village one by one and making them go deaf and dumb. Hey! Hey!
DK, were you aware that Dan was going to confront her?
What was the meaning of that one? What are you saying now? How was I supposed to be aware?
What I'm saying is that, okay, have you been telling Dan everything that's been happening?
Why will I do that? Eh? Obina, no. Why will I tell Dan anything? What has my family issue got to do with the youth leader? Eh?
Are you sure?
Obina!
I know why I'm asking you. Are you sure? That's by the way. But another thing I want to tell you is that I've been thinking of something. I've been thinking of something lately.
Thinking about what?
why don't we invite the prophet? So that the prophet will come and pray and bind Osinachi's spirit in her grave.
Wait. If I understand you correctly, you are suggesting that we go and find a strong prophet, and then take him to Osinachi's grave and have him bind her spirit.
Exactly.
I agree with you now. There's nothing to think about. This is a very good idea. But the problem now is, where do we get this strong prophet? How do we find one?
Don't worry. Don't worry. I know somebody. I know somebody.
Obina, bring your voice down.
What is that?
See the way you're shouting. See, she could be around here now. You know she's a spirit. She could be hearing everything we're
Wait, you're saying that she can be anywhere, like she's here?
Yes, now even all these trees, anywhere, you don't know. She could just be anywhere around now. You know she's the spirit now. So bring your voice now.
Then if that's the case now, I think I have to...
Obina, where you moving to now?
No, I'm not going anywhere now.
Obina, where are you going? Obina, come now. Don't stay with...
Jehovah Emmanuel. You little spirit, I did not come this far for you to humiliate me. No! I've gone through the 7 seas, 7 rivers. I came back successfully. It's not you that will humiliate me. Never! Be calm and stop disturbing your family. Amen. Be calm and stop disturbing your family.
Amen. Mama, we brought the prophetess to end it all.
End what all? End what all now? In my compound.
Mama is also my compound and she's my daughter.
Also,
Mama, don't do this now, Mama.
Get out.
Mama.
I said go. Spirit enter Bukago.
Emmanuel.
Ow, Mama.
Ow, what are you doing?
All of you.
No.
Hey, out. All of you. Stay back, boy. Uje. You little spirit.
I command.
What you? See that? If Maja was go back. Out. I be one answer. Out. Out. Kuni eba mo. Wa. Bulungo godo. I think the bulu. Bulu. Just disturbing the poor girl in her grave. Be at peace with God. Oh, I love you so much. Mbachanka, Bozo. Mbachanka, Bozo.
Wait, is this not it?
Yes, now, this is the house. I've always known that Naya is a witch. Imagine the kind of terror she rained on her family in just a space of few months.
Hey! You know, ever since that woman lost her granddaughter, she has released her venom virtually on anybody that tries to attack her. Hi.
I heard that she's the one that killed Osinachi.
Hey! Why would you say such a thing? Don't let anybody hear this nonsense from your mouth, oh.
Makagini Kwanu, what am I afraid of? Didn't you see what she did to Dan, the youth leader? Didn't you see that?
If it's for that one, he deserves everything he got. I mean, why would he go about trying to attack that innocent woman? If it's for that one, he deserves everything he got, I beg.
Okay, oh. How about Nani Ojuku? Have you seen him lately?
That one, you see all those people you are mentioning, they deserve everything they got. Okay. Because, I mean, if they say Osinachi is killing everybody, why hasn't she killed you? Let me ask you. Why hasn't she killed even me?
She cannot kill me. She
Hey.
cannot kill me.
So,
I mean, let's be going.
Oh.
Let's go and buy what we are buying.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ojuku, my friend.
Sundu. I'm dying. All the members of my household have run away. It's only me. I'm dying of Sundu.
Ojuku, my friend. I remember I warned you when you say you are going to attack Akudo. I told you to leave that poor woman alone. You see, the spirit of her late daughter, the granddaughter, is very furious, oh, and she's not going to leave anybody. Nobody will escape her attack.
How did you know all these things?
I had to consult the chief priest of Ije Kingdom. That's how I knew.
What did he say concerning my healing?
My friend, unfortunately, he did not say anything. Well, I came here purposely to deliver this information to you. I'll be going. It seems this sickness has come here to stay. I'm sorry.
Now stop doing this thing now. You want to give me heart attack? Why would you barge into my combat like this?
Calm down now. You want to open boutique? Eh?
See, this one you're seeing here, I'm traveling. I'm leaving. As a matter of fact, I've left this village already. Are you hearing me?
You mean you want to leave this village? Like, you mean you want to travel? You want to run away?
I don't think you understand what I just said. I said I'm as good as already on my way, not that I want to. What you are seeing here is just is a shadow of me. I'm gone already. I'm gone.
Dike, listen to me. Let me tell you the truth. If you think that running away is the best solution for you to stop the spirit of your daughter from pursuing you, it is a lie. It will never happen. It's just a baby in the next compound that is crying down. You're just being scared for nothing. Listen. See, let me tell you the truth. If you think that running away is going to stop the spirit of your daughter from chasing after you, you're telling lies.
Obina, why are you saying this to me now? Why are you trying to...
Have you not heard that there is no distance in the realm of the spirits? How do you want to do it?
I don't know what you're talking about. That one is left far.
He's a baby now in the next compound. You're just a bit of nothing.
Listen to me. Obina, that one is for you. You see that one you just said now? That's your own. All I know is that I am leaving. What am I using? It's the past tense. I have left the village. I have traveled. I'm gone already. For goodness sake, who in his right senses will remain in a place like this? Obina, answer me. Was it not you that suggested we should go and get a prophet to bind her spirit? Did you not see what she did to the prophet? No, did you not see what happened that day? It's just a matter of time. I know she will come for my head. She might even come for your head too. Huh? Yes. Ah, no, see, don't try that joke with me. For what now? For what now? Eh? What did I do? Am I her father? Did I give birth to her? Did I kill her? She don't play that kind of play with me. Look at there's even breeze everywhere in this compound. See, tell her if you see her, I don't have anything to do with your Obina, come. Obina, come. Stop chatting. Come. If you see me in your house again, talk about this again. Know that it's not me. I don't even know why breeze is going everywhere in your compound. Obina. Hey, Obina.
Yeah, DK. Good morning. I came to see you.
Why are you here? Look, I don't want a situation where I will be provoked to say certain things, and I won't be able to sleep at night, or lose my ability to hear and speak. Please, what are you doing here?
DK, I learned you have been trying to run away from this village.
Who told you that?
It doesn't matter who told me. Look, I came to tell you that my hands are not there. I'm not the cause of the problem in this village. Cha-cha. I am not. It's just that the spirit of your daughter is aggrieved. She's just a little girl that they took her life by force. Forcefully. So she's restless. You should be planning for a way to appease her spirit. Not getting angry. Go.
The most painful part of this whole thing right now is that I have so many hurtful things to say. I cannot say them. I cannot say them. Ngwana, it's alright. Mama, thank you. I have heard you.
Better find a way and appease your daughter's spirits.
Okay, move now. Okay, why you stop? Go now.
Go back. If you ever try to run away again, I will kill you.
Hey! 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 Hey!
They said good things don't last forever. It's only bad people that do. My life is filled with trials and tribulations. Life took everything from me, everything. Hey, Mother Earth, Annie, you know I don't deserve life. Ife, Dakutelum, all that you brought on me. Mother Earth, Annie, how could you be so mean to a woman like you? You stripped me of every good thing that brought joy to me and rendered me a woman in the dark. Oh, Osinachi, help. Osinachi.
Dike! Where are you carrying? I've been calling you from here. What happened?
What happened? Why are you looking like this? I thought you traveled.
I mean, I thought so too.
Huh?
Do you know how death can find me?
Death can find you how?
When I am tired, I want to end it all. I am tired, Omina. Osinachi's spirit is tormenting me. I am not better than a mad person. Omina, I am not better than a madman. Look at me. Please. Omina, can I come to your house and stay? Please, I am begging you as my friend. So that when next time she comes to torment me at night, at least there will be someone around to...
Wait. You said you want to come and stay in my house in case if we start tormenting you in the night, you have somebody. I don't want to scream at you, but I see you're going through a lot. Please. You have a very big house. You know my house is very small. And I'm staying with my family. I don't like this kind of thing. It's not your daughter. Eh? It's not your problem. You should drag me to this thing. I was only trying to help you. In fact, I was even on my way to buy something for my wife. When I saw her, I decided to say hello. It's not even as if I have anything important to tell you. Every time, just smart like I told you now, you're only trying to drag me to this nonsense. Eh?
Screaming.
The doors opening and closing on their own. Jesus!
Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? John!
You all have less than a week. That is 7 days. And you better be ready.
Rub this every night before you go to bed. Sprinkle it around the room. Pay attention to the corners of the room. You will sleep like a baby.
Thank you very much.
That is not all. If you are going anywhere from now on, you rub it. In case there's any other thing, reach out to me.
Thank you very much, great seer. Thank you.
And DK, this is just a temporary solution to prevent the spirit of Osinachi from tormenting you, till you fulfill what she has mandated you to do. Go.
Thank you, great seer. I have heard you. Thank you.
This may or may not work, because the spirit of Osinachi is really hungry. Go.
Thank you, great seer. I have heard you. Thank you.
Make sure you rub that every night.
But you have done what's demanded of you. Your eyes shall know no sleep, not even a nap. And don't even think of looking for a solution. And be granted the power to shut down every door of solutions. Don't dare.
Hey!
I'm not here to give you what you deserve. I'm here to warn you. Stay away from my people. Allow them suffer the consequences they put my grandmother and I through. And anyone who tries to help them is directly fighting me. And I promise, if the thought ever crosses your mind, I promise to sweep you. Don't dare me.
Sir, please kindly sign on this, please. and also sign on this piece. So sign here also.
That's all.
That's all. Thank you very much.
Mr. Louis James, it's nice doing business with you.
Same here. Enjoy your new home.
Thank you. I'll be moving in like 2 weeks.
No problem. Before 2 weeks' time, we'll vacate.
That's fair enough. It's a pleasure doing business with you. Alright.
I'm hungry.
Baby, I know how you feel. It's okay. Stop crying. This is just a passing phase. Alright?
No, this is worse than a nightmare. Just look at where we are.
We should be thanking God that we have a roof above our head. Thank God he sent my friend Chido's here to provide us with this accommodation. Everything will be fine. Let me tell you something. There is nothing like peace of mind. Eh? Now that we've sold the house, all we have to do is to pay the money. Eh? The moment we pay the money, everything will be fine. We'll have peace of mind. Better things are yet to come. Alright? Stop crying. Please. Please stop crying. Hmm? Better things are ahead. We'll be fine. Please. Don't starve, okay? Please.
I don't want, please. My dear, this is the small place we're managing now. One of my husband's friends gave it to us that we should. She said we should manage it until God opens way for us to get money to get another place of our own. I know on a very good day, my husband and I, we are bigger than this, but I know we will come out of this. I know it's a huge temptation before us, but we'll get over it by the grace of God.
Mommy, I have seen people with same situation and they never came out of it.
Wait, are you? Is that what you're wishing my husband and I?
I never said so.
You see? What were you expecting? Eh? You were the one that invited her over. You know how Chizzy behaves. Anyway, just ignore her.
Yes.
The most painful part of this whole thing is I thought she was my friend. Do you know she said we might never rise again?
She said that to you? God forbid. It's a generation that will never rise again. Stupid girl.
Baby, forget about her. She's already a past tense to me.
But promise me one thing. That you will never invite her to this house again.
Me? God forbid. She will never step her foot to this place again. You know, I like moments like this. It helps me know those who genuinely love me and those who are faking it.
Exactly. Sweetheart, enough of cheesing. Please, join me.
Don't worry, enjoy.
Are you sure?
I don't have the appetite to eat.
Hey, come on. I hope you are not feeling pity for me because the food is small. I can share.
Don't worry, eat. I'm okay.
Yeah, take this one.
Louis, I don't want.
You need to be eating now. It's not good. Don't starve yourself. Don't need to starve yourself.
Put a smile, a broad smile, and be confident. I know who my granddaughter is. Eh? Osinachi? Many of man, no? Ngwanu fire!
Have you started?
Yes, I've started. Ngwa, fire!
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Osinachi Obi, and I'm an African child. Today I'll be talking about the International Day of an African Child, also known as the Day of an African Child, always celebrated on June 16.
Mama, continue now. What? Continue. Go on. Hey, go on now. This beautiful thing. Maybe I don't know. What is wrong?
You're shaking.
I'm swaggering it. So I go zoom, I go back, I go down, I go sideways, and get my beautiful granddaughter. You see? Yeah? I'm holding it well. I'm putting swaggering. You know, I just swaggering you do so much. You are doing it the way you did it the first time.
No. You can't Google.
Hey, how can my beautiful, energetic angel be tired now? You can't be tired. You can't go. Jisike, eh? Do it the way you did it the first time. Fire. Hey, you can't be tired now. I thought you said that he's going to abroad, Oyibo people's country. Eh? And when they get it and take your own now, you will go and come back and be answering England lady. England lady.
I'm not even sure they are saying it. Because all the video have been sent, they have not replied.
They will reply. They will pick your own. They will pick your own. Do it very, very well. I'm sure.
Mama, let's take a break. We'll do it tomorrow.
No break. Biko Mwam, eh? Do it now. See this beautiful weather. See. No rain. See bright, the day is bright and bright and gay. Oh happy day, the day of joy. Ngwano own them because
okay, let's sing first.
You want us to sing?
Yes.
Which song? That one I thought.
Yes.
Run and get chair. Get chair. Or do you want us to move to this chair?
Okay.
Huh? Face me, I face you. Face me. One answer.
I face you.
Yeah. Olu.
Nene, sing now.
Huh?
Sing.
Muna nwanne njelo afya nkune obieze. Remember we will be answering now. Ulioma.
Okay. Okay,
Okay, I didn't start it well.
Okay.
One. Ulioma le. Ulioma. Ulioma le.
Ulioma.
Muna nwanne m jere afịa ka na-ebi eze.
Ulioma.
Mkpachanku alụ nwanne nke m.
Ulioma.
Lele. Ulioma onye agha na nwanne ya. Ulioma lele. Ulioma lele. Ulioma.
Akudo nene kemo.
Ayaya.
Akudo nene kemo.
Ayaya.
Ogbanje si nne ya ga-anwụ.
Ayaya.
Ogbanje ga-ebu ụzọ nwụ. Ayaya.
Olo. Ayaya. Olo. Ayaya. Olo. Ayaya. Olo. Ayaya.
Hello everyone, it's your girl coming your way again. For those of you who are watching my video for the first time, my name is Osinachi Obi. Today you guys can call me your info princess. I bring you all sorts of undiluted and most accurate information that can educate your mind. We talk about science, we talk about invention, we talk about history too. But today we'll be talking about the 7 wonders of the world. First on the list is the Egyptian pyramid, which is known as the oldest and...
Why did you stop? You were doing so well. Huh? My sunshine, you were doing so well now. Why did you leave it?
No, I was shy.
Shy for what? There's nobody here. See, nobody. Or are you seeing ghosts? Ghosts?
No. It's still difficult though.
It's not difficult. Is there anybody here? You're holding the camera by yourself? You're shooting by yourself? Or is there's nobody here now? Or are you seeing ghosts now? Oh, you will continue with what you're doing. Go and continue. Let me prepare you something delicious.
Okay.
Let me fast first.
Onyanya mbo biara mba anyị na-echi eze. Eze anyị jiri echichi mgbeke. Uriọma mgbeke. Uriọma onyaga na nwanne ya. Uriọma mgbeke. Uriọma onyaga na nwanne ya. Uriọma.
Who will be singing for me? Nenkem. Obanje sine neyagamu. Tufia kwa obanje na obanje emuluza wa. So now it's my granddaughter that is the Obanje that died. Hey, Jim. Onyeka, no. Osinachi, my angel, My sunshine. My sunshine. I wouldn't get no sign. I can't know how more because I would have sign. I can't know how because I would be going to say no sign. I can't know how more because let me see her. Even if it is worse. Let me see her again. Let me see her. Let me see her. Osinachi.
I think she will never stop like she said.
I just feel like dying. I feel like dying in most seriousness and sincerity. That girl trusted me with her life. She trusted me more than she trusted the mother and the father. Yet I disappointed her because of my greed. I wonder why she's still sparing me. I know anytime she's ready to kill, I'll be the first person she will kill.
You don't need to talk like this. Talk like the pastor that you are.
Stop calling me that, please. Stop calling me. What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Which pastor? When? How? You and I know that the thing we're doing, we're just doing it to make ends meet. Which pastor? We're just faking it. Stop calling me that. Were you there when they ordained me? Did I invite you? Don't call me that thing again.
Well, I think I know what we should do.
See, Francis, you don't know anything. Since I knew you, you've never come up with any intelligent idea. I have been the one suggesting, giving you intelligence. I am so tired. I can't even sleep. If I want to sleep, but if I go there now, I'll be so scared to sleep that she might just appear. I'll just stay here anytime she's ready to come and let her just come and kill me. I've lost everything. The car, the motorcycle, everything. I've lost it. They snatched the car. Even the people I gave money to buy the house for me in the city, they ran away with the money. I don't know how the whole money, how I misused the whole money. The other one I had, they attacked me and took the money. I'm just as I am. I'm just waiting for the time. I don't know what to do. I'll just be here anytime she's ready to kill me. Let her come and kill me.
Okay. Look at it this way. All of you are busy accusing your mom of invoking Osinachi's spirit to haunt you. But has anyone ever looked at it this way? That it could be of an advantage to you.
What are you talking about?
Go and seek for her forgiveness. Genuinely ask for your mother's forgiveness. Your mother is the only one that can cry to Osinachi, and Osinachi will listen. Please.
Look, my son. You see, this is exactly what I told Ojuku before the time. There's no way you can fight any poor widow. If you do such a thing, she can call the gods to fight for her.
But Nanya, are you sure this will work? I know this is going to work. All you need to do is to go to the grandmother and ask her to appeal to the dead child spirit. In other words, if she does that, everything will work in a way that you don't imagine. She is the only water that can soften the hardened heart of that dead girl.
Now listen, stop being unreasonable here. You and I know this is not going to work.
You are the one who is totally unreasonable.
Let me make something crystal clear to you. If you want to join your brother and your ex-husband on a mission that will turn out counterproductive at the end of the day, go ahead, but count me out!
Louis, why are you always like this? 1 minute you are involved, the next minute you are nonchalant. What is wrong with you?
Of course you know I always want to be involved. Only when I say the light at the end of the tunnel.
So there's no light at the end of the tunnel on this?
Not even the tiniest halo.
Akudo Onyema. Stop crying.
See, she visits everybody. They all see her. But me, she doesn't come to me. Let me see her once.
Akudo.
That's
That's one thing you need to know first. At the appointed time, her spirit will visit you. You will certainly see her. But this spirit being, they have problems as well. Mostly when they relate to somebody they love very well, like you. They find it difficult to reach the person. So Butu, she will visit you for sure. I promise you, she will.
Oh, they can decide. Can't know where. California was so they go do. Oh, that be a charge because you know. Mama, I don't know what to do. When she goes to everybody, she doesn't come to me. Oh, because
you don't have to force it to. You don't have to force it. At the appointed time, she will come. She will come. Because in Ibena Biko Akudo Biko. She will certainly come.
I'm trying. I'm really going to do that. I'm trying.
Because we see it.
This is where you helped her with her akara business. They destroyed everything. They destroyed her source of livelihood. Who are you? Are you like me? As I walk by, the rhythm of your heart keeps buzzing in my soul. Where we are, everything is without cover. I know what makes you sad, and I will be your friend. Friend? I haven't had a friend ever since I found myself here. That's why I'm here. Give me your hand, and I will lend you a hand. Well, like I said earlier, where we are, everything knows no hiding. I knew everything about you, even before you uttered a word. If that's how it works, Why can't I know anything about you? I've been here for thousands of years. You just came. Your journey hasn't even started. Are you my guardian angel? As you walk with me, little by little, you will know everything that you need to know. I would assist you in every way possible. Thank you. My story is almost like yours. I also died at a very tender age. I was poisoned by my mother's best friend. What? I don't understand. What do you mean? Don't worry. Very soon, you will attain the level of knowledge of what humans do. Then, you would know everything that you need to know. Come. I miss the song I used to sing with my grandma. I wish I can just be with her and sing it one more time. I know the song. What? Like I said earlier, I knew everything about you the moment I set my eyes on you, even before you uttered a word. Okay, like if I tell you now to sing this song, can you?
Urama le le le, Urama, Urama le le le, Urama. Kina wanne kijeri banko no biese, Urama. Iba janko yara wanne kegi, Urama. Opera kijiji biarama nyine chiese, Urama. Onyanya mbo biaramba nyine chiese, Urama. Eza ni chiri echichi mbeke, Urama mbeke, Urama nyanga na wania, Urama mbeke, Urama nyanga na wania, Urama.
Thank you so much. You don't have to thank me. You two will be assisting someone else this way.
All my life, I have never known that you will, or I will ask anybody for forgiveness. Or that people will come asking me for forgiveness. But last night, it was God that spoke to me. I knew what forgiveness is. That's why I called you people. I wanted to take my own life. What? Somehow, yes. to end it all. But God said I should forgive one another. I said, okay.
Why would you want to end your life?
No, I don't understand. Why?
We may have made terrible mistakes in the past, but we're genuinely sorry. We need you to stay alive for us. Please.
Please. I don't take your life. I don't have money to start burying anybody.
I don't know what my grandma is talking about. All I know is that I will keep every single soul in there today. I will not let you do that anymore. I don't understand. What do you mean? Are you on my side or their side? I am still on your side. But while she was speaking, something in me broke in pieces. My grandma, so emotional. It's not only about her. If I gave you an opportunity to see everyone's heart in there, you would feel more sorry for them than I feel right now. I hate them so much. I will kill every single soul there. Osinachi! Let me go. Those people you see there don't have any remorse. I hate them so much. And I'll kill everybody there. They all deserve forgiveness, and that we must give them. Go and forgive them.
Hey, see my granddaughter. Osinachi, see her there.
Mama.
There. Can't you see her?
Mama, beg my forgiveness, please. We are sorry, Mama.
Where?
She's at peace with everybody.
Mama, please. We are sorry, please. We are sorry, please.
She's at peace with everybody.
Mama, please, whichever way I've offended you, I've offended Osinachi. I'm sorry, please, beg her.
I forgive you all.
Huh?
She says she has forgiven everybody. Yeah.
Mama, I love you so much.
I love you more. I love you now. You know I love you so much. Why did you go now?
Mommy, I forgive you for abandoning me. I love you so much. I love you so much, Daddy. Uncle.
Can you come back? Please. Please, come back to me, no? Come back. Come back to me. Come back to me, please. Come back to me. Dad, come back to me. Let her come back now because I don't know. I want her back. I want her back. I want my child back now. She's my companion. She's my friend. She's my all and all.
Mama, it's okay.
She's my all and all.
It's okay.
Sorry.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. Let's stop crying. Mama, it's okay.
Mama, it's okay.
Come back, please, now. Because of them all.
Mama, it's okay.
Come back, Come back,
okay.
Mama, sorry.
Mama, sorry. Mama! Mama! Which song are you singing? Eh?
Is everything okay? Is Noni okay?
She's very fine. Actually, we would have been here earlier, but our car broke down our way.
Where is she now?
There she comes.
How did you even come there? The gate was open.
Yes.
Now, wrong what I can. Hey! Ewo, you can't move. No. You are pregnant. Why didn't you tell me? Huh? You didn't tell me. Why?
Mama, I'm sorry. I wanted to surprise you. But I noticed I was getting almost due, so I thought I should come and show you the pregnancy before you say I went to buy a child.
What kind of surprise is that one now? All those small spoon, I should have been making it. Even parcel itself, freeze it. Freezer now. When you freeze and you know mother brutal again. Just gonna now bring the chair. Let us sit.
Mama, how are you?
I'm sitting alone in a rocking chair. How did you people even come here? I didn't hear any sound.
The gate wasn't padlocked, so I just opened it and drove in. Yes.
It's my angel that used to close the gate now. And when gate man. So I forget so many things these days. Nemo, how have you been waddling?
Mama,
like a dog. You left since afternoon. Yeah?
Well, Mama, we went for scanning. It's a baby girl.
Oh, hi, Chineka, local.
And we have decided to name her Osinachi.
Hell, Osinachi. Hell. Damn, man. Osinachi, she's back. Osinachi. Hell. Osinachi. Masinachi. Omume Sinachi. Ego Sinachi. It is well. Thank you. Damn,
Mama, I'm fine.
It is done. Let's go.
Yes, I need you,